We're at the very beginning. So let's see if we can find more of the steps regarding the scientific method, all right?
The great thing about blended learning here on Springwoods Village is it's a way of life. It's what our kids are used to. Since we opened the school, our students have had access to Chromebooks in the classroom. We've grown in the implementation and the development of that thanks to our online learning platforms through Schoology, through Amplify, Carnegie. Those resources have really helped our students and our learning coaches to grow in the development and implementation of blended learning.
Our what? That's right. We know this. We've done this before.
In Miss Acevedo's class, that's our MYP2 sciences class, she was really leading the scholars through their GRASP assessment and getting ready to launch what that summative assessment looked like. And so they're going to be doing an inquiry into photosynthesis. And so she was able to guide them through an article, and the students have the article that's projected there on the screen. They're able to read and process with her. They talked about research. They talked about citing their resources.
So now we're going to a primary source.
She's really guiding them on how to use the internet, how to use articles, how to find good sources, and how to implement that into their inquiry classroom.
I use technology just for like our everyday work that we have, and our teachers use technology. They project their computers to the TVs in every room. I do like it. I like that we have a lot of resources just right there. It's just everything is in one place.
Paragraph 5, use your purple cursor to drag down to paragraph 5. One of the programs that I particularly use is our Amplify curriculum that we have this year. It's an all online reading program. I enjoy using Amplify because it gives them the text right away, besides them always kind of have to go find a text that they need or they want. Go back into Amplify, go to OneNote to show me how she's being protected. Not only can they have the text right in front of them, they can stop, they can annotate, they can highlight throughout the text the things that are happening throughout the story, which is a lot of what we've been doing today with the book that we've been reading. Talk, and then we'll share. So in my classroom, I'm real big on student collaboration. I think students, they learn from each other. Everybody has a different perspective on what they're doing. So even though the technology is in front of them and they can see it, they still can come up with different perspectives of what they're learning.
It makes it more interesting and you have more knowledge of it. So like if you would write a paragraph, you have more understanding of what you're talking about than just getting stuck in the midway of writing it.
So I'm going to skip to the next part.
It's where our kids are now. I mean, everything is online. Everything is through technology now. So we need to meet them where they are to help grow them.
And I think it is a good thing for us to have the computers in the classroom because it makes it easier for all the students, and it's not just a couple or a handful in a classroom.
I think it kind of goes along with what's going on in our world today and our society today, that we're shifting into this technology world, and that the kids need to have those experiences in order for them to grow and to get jobs in the future. They need to know how to do those kind of things.
In our IB PLCs, we watched a video on the future of work. And what was the future of work? We're behind. I mean, to think that an innovator campus, we're really actually behind where we need to be, because what we're trying to do is teach our students how to use the resources and the tools that are available to really capitalize on how to research, how to inquire, how to grow in their knowledge and skill, because let's face it, they can Google the answer to a math problem. They can find the answer to anything. It's at their resources, but we got to teach them how to think. And so how to create, how to build, how to design, that's what we're about here at Springwoods Village. It's not what we teach, it's how we teach. It's taking those resources that are available, those tools that are available, such as technology, opening up the world to them, because we're teaching them for jobs that don't exist. They haven't even been created yet. We think about driverless trucks. That's actually happening now. We think about drone deliveries. That's happening now. What's it going to look like in 10 to 15 years when our students that we're saying, hey, we're an innovator campus with technology, what pieces are we putting in place now that's helping them think critically and creatively, that they can use this technology to change the world?
Good. All right, you're done. You can go close your computers. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll finish up this chapter tomorrow.